July was the hottest month on record ever. What will August be? Will that also be a record breaker? The sky is red, the air is filled with smoke, and fires are happening everywhere. The largest fire in the state is ongoing. Here's a fire in the hills of Altamont Pass. This is not a car fire, but just an idea of how quick everything is to catch on fire. One reason, here's a photo from the inside of my car, 110 degrees Fahrenheit in California. Other places in the Pacific Northwest got up to 115. Well, here it's only 102, and that's a mild day in some parts of the southern United States, Southern California and Arizona. That's a nice day considering how bad it can get. So the heat and the lack of rain has created an epic drought, and the land is brittle and bone dry. Yet the state needs water, and water is where food grows. And here's a sign by the side of the highway, keep the water flowing. But yet, where does it flow to? In some parts of the state, it flows from the sprinklers onto the lawns in areas of Southern California where it is 110. Is that the best use of water? Can we eat grass? It seems like if you have the money, you can have Victoria waterfalls in the desert outside of the golf courses. So it's again, who gets to use the water and for what purpose? Here on Frank Sinatra Lane in Palm Springs, the grass is always green and the golf courses are always lush. But across the street, the desert begins, and it's always dry in the desert. Maybe in a good year, they'll get 3 inches of rain. Of course, the heat makes air conditioning the only way we can survive in a super hot world, and that requires energy. So here's a wind generation and solar field that provides alternative energy. That is, alternative energies to gas and oil. Here we are, 76 gas station and stoplights for cars in the middle of the desert where also there are alternative energy fields. Indian land is what this says. Well, it was 150 years ago. Now it's a solar and wind field in the desert of Southern California near Palm Springs. Here's a natural Palm Springs where the water is flowing out of the earth in the middle of the desert, right along the San Andreas fault line, which allows water to come to the surface. Yes, it's hard to understand how all of this fits together. Drought, heat, fire, water, food, energy. But that's what we're going to be learning in geography this semester. And it couldn't come at a better time as the planet is getting record heat and climate change is affecting the world and the population as we know it. So this is a photo of the sunset last night, and look forward to working with you this semester. Thank you.